How to uninstall Beyond Video Editor. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and find the Apps or Application section, then tap on it to view all the installed apps. In the list of apps, look for the Beyond Video Editor and select it. Once you open the app details, tap on the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the app. Tap OK or Confirm to proceed. The app will then be completely removed from your device along with its temporary data. Once the uninstallation is complete, Beyond Video Editor will no longer appear in your apps list. Uninstalling unused apps helps free up storage space and keeps your device running smoothly. Now you know how to uninstall Beyond Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.